In this question from the AP Calculus exam, they say a fish is reeled in at a rate of 2.3 feet per second from a point 10 feet above the water. So as shown in the picture. At what rate is the angle between the line and water changing when there is a total of 25 feet of the line out? So if I look at a triangle, the right triangle, I will have this one is 10 feet. This part is going to be my x, or the line. And here I have an angle. At the moment when you have the line 25 feet, so here I have 10, when this one is 25 feet, then I have the base of this right triangle using Pythagorean theorem is the square root of 525. So I can write, and here is your theta. So here is theta and here is theta. I can write from the top triangle that sine of theta is equal to 10 over x. Then d over dt, because it's over the time, is going to be of the function sine theta. And on the other side, I have d over dt again, because it's the function of time, so x is changing over the time. And on the right side, I have 10 over x, so it's d over dt of 10 over x. When I take the derivative of sine, I will have cosine theta, and then theta is changing over time, so I have to take the derivative of theta because it's changing over the time. And on the other side, I have negative 10 over x squared, and again, x is the function of time. I have dx over dt. So they tell you the speed at which the fish is moving at the moment when we're going to be looking. So this value is the speed, and I can plug it in at the moment when I'm going to be looking at it. Then also they tell me that the fish line is going to be 25 feet. So I can plug in x as 25 feet. And then d theta over dt is the one that I'm looking for. And then for cosine of theta, I have cosine of theta at the moment when the values are given 25 and 10, and I know what this is, the square root is. So the cosine of theta is going to be the square root of 525 over 25. So to plug in that, I have cosine, which is the square root of 525 over 25, d theta over dt, and then on the other side, I have 10, negative 10 over, and x is the fish line, so I have 25 squared. And then for dx over dt, they give me the velocity, which is 2.3. And this velocity is going to be negative because the line is getting shorter as the fish is moving closer to the dock. So we will have negative 2.3. And I also can cancel one of the 25s from the denominators. So I will have d theta over dt is equal to negative 10 times negative 2.3 gives me 23. And in the denominator, I will have 25 and the square root of 525. So d theta over dt is equal to 0.04 radian per second. And that is all I have for this question. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful.